that it's time to pass the torch. So this will be our last year here at Harmony Explosion. Oh, no. We leave with fond memories. We leave these guys in great hands that have been here, and we leave them with great support from the parents and the families and the friends who have attended year after year. And as music educators, I know Nick sent this message to his kids as they moved on. And that is, we go through good times, we go through not so good times. But if you always remember to keep a song in your heart, that light will always be there and will get brighter in time. So it's with that I say, keep a song in your hearts, songs in your hearts, as you move forward. Okay? Thank you all for all your wonderful
with the song.